Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another F1 update. So today let's talk about one of the most exciting and one of the most dramatic endings to a Formula 1 race which we have seen this season so far. So let's talk about the Spanish Grand Prix, and Oscar Piastri came victorious. He won this race and took matters into his own hands and won in a very commanding manner. So second came in Norris, McLaren 1-2, McLaren in dreamland, and Leclerc came in to take the final podium position, coming in third for himself and for the Ferrari team. So the Australian driver Piastri, he had a really strong start and he controlled the race throughout. One of the biggest concerns this weekend was the tire degradation which many of the drivers faced in the race and in the weekend and in this weekend. So, and there was a lot of there was a lot of problems when the traffic was coming in the race, when the cars in front had to overtake the lapped cars. It was a bit of a problem for them because they were losing on time and the cars which were behind them were gaining. So it was kind of a a really not a good thing for them, and obviously they needed to sort it out as quickly as possible because in F1 every second matters. Even if a car is just gaining by 1 second every lap, so in 10 laps they are in striking distance. So now let's talk about Kimi Antonelli in the Mercedes. He did not have a good triple header these 3 weeks and these 3 races. Every race he had a problem or the other and he had to retire. And this race was the same. He had a major mechanical failure in his Mercedes and had to retire in this race. And Verstappen, let's talk about how this incident between Russell and Verstappen started off. So Verstappen, he took on hard tires when the safety car came in, and that was his fourth and final pit stop. He didn't have any other tires allotted to him. He had used up all of the tires which were given to him this weekend. And the hard tire, if you see what people are saying and what the statistics are saying, the hard tire for this weekend and for this track was an absolute, it was one of the most, the worst decisions anyone can make. So this race wasn't meant for these tires and was a very was not preferred by most of the teams and the drivers. But still Verstappen took a chance, and he thought that with fresher tires he would able to compete with the guys ahead. But he was unable to pass Norris, who was in second at the restart, and lost out to Leclerc in the Ferrari before making a bizarre contact with Russell. And ahead Piastri, he was very confident and he took his 5th win of the season. For him it was really nice. And despite Russell running in and they both made contact, George Russell, he ultimately took the 4th position, and Verstappen, he dropped back in 10th place, only getting a point for his team and himself. With a 10-second time penalty, he wouldn't have taken that nicely. And Hülkenberg, he just got promoted and took 5th position ahead of Lewis Hamilton in the Ferrari. So that's really something which we have to look into, because Hülkenberg in the green Sauber, it's an amazing result. 10 points in just one race, more points than they had scored last year, and it would have been an amazing race for them, one of the best races they have had in the time they have been here in F1 as Kick Sauber F1. And Hamilton came in to secure P5. Hajar, he's having an amazing rookie season. He came in to claim points once again, coming in 7th, ahead of Gasly in the Alpine, and Fernando Alonso rounding up the top 10 ahead of the Verstappen, who rounded up the top 10. So he was 10th. And it was a home race to forget for Sainz. He failed to score a point, and Williams, they experienced their least competitive round of the season so far. Alex Albon retired and after intense battle with Liam Lawson, so no points for Williams. Absolutely bummer for them, and that earned him a 10-second time penalty, which ended up with front wing damage. So this is all for this weekend. Obviously it became a long video because there was a lot to cover this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.